Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Pennywise in the side view, right? From the profile, from like the side. It's gonna be simple, easy for beginners. I'm gonna be using regular printing paper and I'm gonna be using a Crayola brand marker. You can use anything you want. You can use pencil, marker, anything. But yeah, that is it. If you enjoy drawing your favorite characters from media, from cartoons, from movies, drawing cute stuff, how-to lessons, kind of just improving yourself a little bit every day, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification because that's going to let you know when I post. Also, hit the like if you're a big fan of it, like I am. So let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with his brow, for Pennywise's brow, because remember, this is a side view. He's looking straight to the left. Or I guess they call this profile view. That's kind of the more technical way of it. Pulling in, out, down. So the thing about profile views is they're a lot easier than front views because you're not having to even stuff out, right? So when you see people from the front, you have to more or less even stuff out, right, and make sure it's equal both sides. Right here, you don't have to do that. So people find profile drawings of people in general more easy. So that's his forehead. He's gonna have a big old forehead. Pulling up here, back. Line here. So that's gonna be for the hairline. We're not gonna draw his hair quite yet. Line over here. Line over here. Let's go to the front again. Let's go back to the nose. Pulling back on the nose. Kind of pulling in here, and I'm going to put the wing of the nostril here. And I'm going to draw a thin line at the top because that's going to be the discoloration, right? That's going to be the red part of the nose. So down here around the center, back of the nose, I'm going to draw down here for the front of the lip. It's going to be pretty long, actually. Not too long, but long enough. Curve back, up here, up, down, down, curving up, down over here, up. So we got that lower lip as well. Okay, we're gonna go over here and find the bottom of the chin. We're gonna go down like so. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna draw that, what's that thing he has on? I always talk about that. This like sock thing, skirt on his neck. I don't know what you call it. Looks like a scrunchie around his neck. And we're gonna draw the far side of that, I guess, scrunchie around the neck. I don't know what you call it, but clowns wear it. I don't know what it's called. And I haven't looked it up either because I mentioned this in another video. It has like 2 layers to it. I haven't looked up what it's called. I'm not going to look it up now, right, because I'm drawing. But if you ever look it up, let me know in the comments section. Down over here, we're going to draw this eye. Up. Down. Curve over here. Up. Down. All right, let's draw the front of his eye like it's facing forward. Line over here for the kind of the side of the cheek. And we're going to draw this line that he has. He has a red line. And honestly, we can do it in color. Well, no. You know what? Well, I'm not going to do it in color. I'm going to draw it in a line over here, up into the eye. And then I'm going to draw it up here. But I'm going to draw it in a thin line. Right there. And we can color it after as an option, okay? Pulling over here for the hair. So he has like one segment of hair at the top, and then he has another full-blown segment on the side of his head. So right now I'm going to pull down. Down over here. Pull back. And we're going to have his ear over here. line over here, curve around here. Draw like the inner part of the ear, really. It usually looks like relatively simple. It looks like a Y shape inside this circle. And then you draw over here like the whole of the ear and the tragus and stuff. Let's go to the hair, which is a very big identifier. Curl at the top almost. Boom, boom. And then we're gonna have the other segment come over here and be a little more like zigzaggy. And these thin lines following the direction of the hair, right? It's going all to the right over here. Just following the direction. Right on. And maybe we can draw like the teeth here. Maybe like one row of teeth or something like that. Like you see, just see the top. Maybe draw the little line there, separating the teeth. And let's go, this is a bonus now. We're in the bonus area. I'm actually gonna color the red parts only, just the red parts. So to kind of give it some kind of punch to it. Just the nose, the lips, and kind of this shape on his eye. Are you excited for Halloween? I am. Hopefully you are too. Don't forget, I have a Halloween drawing channel that is dedicated only to Halloween. If you're curious about that, let me know and I'll link it to you in the description. Just kind of description in the comment section. So just let me know about that and I'll link it to you. That's pretty much all I'm going to color. I'm not going to color all the hair and stuff like that currently, but thank you so much. You are amazing. Actually, am I going to color the hair? You know what? I'm going to color the hair. I'm going to color there, I think. Let me grab an orange and do... No, am I? Yes. I want to see if my orange was... actually... So stay a little bit longer. Hang out. I'm just going to take this, and this is all I'm going to do. I'm going to color the hair here because I just feel like it needs it, honestly. It's such a distinguishing part about him that I have to do it. But for the most part, you know, let me know what else you want to see on the channel. I'm putting a lot of stuff. I'm going to start putting very complex tutorials on here as well. I might put like, you know, maybe one complex one, one easy one, and kind of trade them out like that. Because I was going to say, like, I know some people really like the more really complicated ones, so I'm probably going to start doing those really, really soon. Sorry if I'm shaking everything. It just shakes my whole setup over here. And I'm more or less just trying to get it in there, right? Anywho, thank you so much. You've been amazing. If you want to support the channel, you can do it in two ways. There's a PayPal below that you can donate to. Everything I use toward the videos, through the editing, to time management, to a lot of stuff to improve the channel. Or what you could do is share the video. Go to the bottom right-hand corner, takes 2 seconds, share it to Twitter or, you know, anything else. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video and I will talk to you very, very soon. Later.